Welcome to Wild School 3D. Deep beneath the ocean's sand, countless tiny crab eggs hatch, beginning their extraordinary journey of life together. Crabs are 10-legged crustaceans found worldwide, displaying many unique shapes, striking colors, and fascinating survival adaptations. Crabs possess tough shells, strong snapping claws, and moving eyes, perfect tools for defense and daily survival. Crabs scuttle sideways quickly, a special movement that helps them escape predators and navigate sandy coastlines safely. Crabs live in large groups, digging burrows and cooperating together for mutual protection and survival in nature. Male crabs battle fiercely with raised claws, competing for territory, dominance, and mating opportunities during breeding seasons. Crabs are omnivorous creatures, feeding on algae, snails, and decaying animals while cleaning the ocean floor. Using their powerful claws, crabs carefully grab food and skillfully bring it toward their small, hungry mouths. Octopuses, fish, and birds hunt crabs, making constant vigilance essential for their continued survival underwater and shorelines. Crabs raise claws high to appear larger, scaring predators and defending themselves bravely from sudden threatening attacks. As crabs grow, they shed their old shells, revealing soft new bodies ready for future challenges. New shells remain soft and fragile, so crabs hide safely until hardened for protection against lurking predators. Crabs skillfully adapt to oceans, rivers, and land, showcasing remarkable abilities to survive in changing environments. During mating season, males rhythmically wave their claws, signaling strength and attracting females under glowing sunset skies. Females carefully carry hundreds of eggs beneath their bodies, keeping them safe until hatching begins naturally. Tiny larvae swim freely into the vast ocean, beginning exciting journeys toward adulthood and future independence. Young crabs explore sandy beaches playfully, learning vital survival skills necessary to grow into strong adults. Fully matured crabs help balance marine ecosystems, supporting countless species and maintaining natural environmental harmony worldwide. During daylight, crabs forage for food, retreating safely into protective burrows at night for peaceful rest. Overfishing, pollution, and habitat destruction pose severe threats, reducing global crab populations and damaging fragile ecosystems. Conservation programs protect crabs, rescuing and studying them to ensure survival and biodiversity for future generations. Crabs can live between 5 and 30 years, depending entirely on species, environment, and natural challenges. Scientists study crabs closely, using their behaviors as vital indicators of ocean health and environmental stability. The coconut crab is incredibly strong, capable of lifting heavy objects and cracking hard coconuts with ease. Some hermit crabs cleverly use seashells as portable homes, protecting themselves from predators and environmental dangers. Crabs play vital roles in ocean balance, ensuring ecosystems thrive naturally for countless future generations. Crabs are loved worldwide, cooked through steaming, stir-frying, or grilling, creating delicious street foods and culinary traditions. Don't forget to click like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel Wild School 3D for more amazing animal adventures.